Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you about my project, that is online movie ticket booking system project, which I have developed using Spring Boot and React.js. So the technologies which I have used for the development of the projects are Java Spring Boot for the backend, React.js for the front end, MySQL for the database, Maven for the project and the dependency management, and for the styling purpose, I have used Bootstrap. And the softwares which I have used for the development of the projects are STS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend, VS Code for the front end, and for the data querying and manipulation, I have used MySQL Workbench. Talking about the external API integration, so in this project, I have integrated two external APIs, that is Google Map API for the theater location, which I have integrated in the React.js project, and Razorpay Payment Gateway for the customer payment for the show booking, for which the implementation I have done in both backend and the front end application, that is in Spring Boot and the React.js. User modules present in the project. So the project basically contains three user modules. The very first one is admin module, the second one is theater module or theater owner module, the third one is customer module. Functional modules present in the project. So the very first and the very important functional module is user authentication module. The second one is location module. Then we have theater module, movie module. Then we have theater screen module. Then movie show module. The next very important module is show booking module. Then we have payment module, and the last one is movie review module. Inside these functional modules, there are a lot more things which we will see in the later part of the video. But as of now, let's see the basic overview of the project. So as we know, our project contains three user module, that is admin module, the theater manager module, and the customer module. So firstly, admin will register and log in into the system, and after the admin login, admin will be able to add all the locations into the systems, and in this location only theaters can register. Okay, so since locations are added by the admin, now theater managers can register into the system and add their theater details by selecting the particular location from the added locations by the admin. And once theater details are added by the theater manager, the request will go to the admin, and admin will be able to approve or reject the theater. So if he approves the theater, then only theater can add the movies and the shows into the system. Otherwise, that particular theater manager will not be able to add any movies or shows in this theater. So now let's suppose admin has approved this theater. Now this theater manager can add the movies into the system, and basically he can perform all the movie management by adding the movie, updating the movie, and deleting the movie. Then after that, for the theater, the next important thing is theater screen also. So in the theater, multiple screens can also be there, right? So theater manager can add multiple screen to the system. He can delete, he can update the screen. Okay, and the last one is, now since he has added the movies and the screens, so theater manager can schedule the show also by selecting the movie and the screen. And during adding of the screen, you have to mention all the seat details also. So the complete details we will see in few minutes. Now after scheduling the movie show, customers will be able to see all the scheduled show by the theaters, and customer can search the theaters by locations also. So they can basically search for the nearby theaters, and they can search for the movies which they are looking for. And after that, they will be able to see the complete booking status, I mean the seat availability. And if it is available, then they can select the seat and they can pay the amount and book the show. And for the payment, like we have integrated the Razorpay Payment Gateway, and here the concept is customer will be having the wallet and the theater manager will also be having the wallet. So customer can add the money in the wallet by using the Razorpay, but when he books the show, then at that time that particular amount will get debited from the customer wallet and it will get credited to the theater's owner wallet, and theater will be able to see that particular amount in his wallet then. So this was the basic overview of the project, in which we have integrated the Razorpay Payment Gateway, and also while adding the location, we have integrated the Google Map also. Okay, so this was just the basic overview. There are a lot more things present in this project, so that we'll see in few minutes. But as of now, I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects. Students can use this project for the learning purpose. They can add this project in their resume, and also they can refer this project to create their own project. So hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of projects for you guys. Now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail, and for that let's go to the other end. So firstly, let's see our backend project, that is Spring Boot application. So as I have already told that I have used STS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend development. So here is our project movie ticket booking system. Okay, and here we can see the complete project structure, SRC main Java, then we have resources. Okay, then we have our pom.xml file here. Okay, as I have already told that I have used Maven for the project and the dependency management. Okay, and here is our log4j file and the application.property files. Okay, so we can see the src main java here, right? Yeah, in our pom.xml file we have all our important dependencies which are required. Okay, so if you see here we have the dependency Razorpay. Okay, because we have integrated the Razorpay in this project, right? So and mailing system is also there because we have integrated the email part also. Okay, so all the required dependencies we have added in the pom.xml file. And talking about the our main backend code, so we have that in src main java. So src main java we have all our important packages like controller, service layer is there, then we have entity, dto layer is there. Okay, the DAO layer is there. Yeah, so if I open the controller package, so we have, based on the module we have the controller. Okay, like in the user controller we have all our apis related to the users. Okay, and then we have theater controller. So likewise in the controllers we have all the apis created. Okay, like here we have api user, in the theater it is api theater, right? Then we have our DAO layer here. Okay, let's see the entity total. We have, I think 10 to 11 entities, and the same entities are reflected in the database also. So we can see here inside the movie ticket booking db there are around 10 to 11 uh, tables. Okay, now let's see our front end code also. So this is our react.js application. We have here src folder. Okay, then we have all the module wise folder here in which we have created the components like the location. This is the location components. Okay, movie components. Then important is theater components. Okay, then one of the component is add show form. Okay, so from here we will add the movie show. Okay, we will select the screen, then movie, the complete code is here. Okay, then review component. So like we can see the structure here. And now without wasting any time, let's run our project. Okay, so firstly I'll run the Spring Boot application. So for that simply I'll right click on the project, I'll click on run as Spring Boot tab. And here we can see our Spring Boot application is starting, and we can see the version 3.4, which is the latest version. And I think my system is slow, so what I'll do, I'll simply close the MySQL workbench here. Okay, we can see the tables here and entries also. This is from the shows table. Okay, in the similar way we can see the bookings also. Yeah, let me close it. Okay, started movie ticket booking system application on port 8080. That means our backend application is running. Now what I'll do, I'll run the front end code also. Okay, so for that we simply have to run the command npm start to start the react.js application. Okay, but here the important thing is, like we can see node.js modules here, right? So if this is not present, this folder is not present here, then we have to simply run the command npm install. Okay, let it complete, and then after that, if you are able to see these node modules here, you simply have to run the command npm start, and if it is already present, simply run the command npm start. Okay, now let our react.js application start. So now our react.js application is also running fine, and we can see the output here in the browser. So now since both our backend and the front end application is running fine, let's see the complete project in detail. So this is the landing page of our application. So when customer will visit to our website for the very first time, they will be able to see this website here. And basically this is static page only. So here we have explore theaters option. So customer can click on this and then they will be able to see all the theaters which are registered. Okay, and by the location they will be able to see the all the locations basically here. So we have here Mumbai location theaters. Okay, so I can search from here. Okay, let's suppose I want all the theaters from Mumbai Kurla. This is the one of the location. Okay, the Kurla I'll search. So there are 4 theaters. Okay, if I want from the Mumbai Bhandop, okay, then there are again 4 theaters. Okay, and if I want all, then I can simply uh, click on this search button and I'll be able to see all the 8 theaters. Okay, so we can say these are the active theaters, okay, which is approved by the admin. That's why customers are able to see these theaters. Okay, now customer can basically search the theaters by the location which we saw. Then after that, so here along with the theaters we have got the option view shows. Okay, so from this theater let's see all the shows. Okay, so I click on the view shows button, and here again I'm able to see the complete detail about the theater here. I mean the location, the address, okay, the email. So let me tell you very important thing, the all the data which is used for showing the project here, okay, those are just for the dummy purpose. Okay, those are not the actual locations, so please note that. And here we can see the upcoming shows, so we can see all the movie shows. Total we have 8 shows, and from here I can search the movie show. So I'll search for uh let's search for Ravan. Okay, I'll search one, and here I'm able to see Ravan. Then we have Tere. So we have Tere Naam movie here. Dabang also we have. Yeah, and if I click on search button again, I'm able to see all the listed shows in this theater. Okay, so I can click on any of one of the movie. Okay, so as a customer I can click here and I'll be able to see the complete detail about the show. Okay, so these are the basic information about the show, like when it will start and when it will end. So today is 10, so this show time is 11th. Okay, 11th May from 2 to 4:30. Okay, the language Hindi, and show type, the status is active, and the price detail also we can see here. Regular price it is 100, 200 for the premium, and 300 for the gold price. And this is the screen information. The screen A is there. Okay, this is the seat details we can see here. Okay, how many regular seats are there, how many regular seat rows are there. Okay, how many seats are will be present in the left side, right side, middle side. Okay, the complete detail again we can see here. Okay, but the important thing is, if customer want to see the view seat arrangement, they can see the seat arrangement also. So for this screen, screen A, this will be the seat arrangement. Okay, so at the left side there is 2 column, and here also there is 2 column, and in the middle there is 6 column. Okay, and it will be this arrangement will differ, okay, based on the screen. Okay, this is from the screen of A. Okay, so as a customer, definitely if I want to book the show, definitely I should be able to see like how many seats are like available. Okay, so here this blue one is regular seat, this yellow one is premium, and this green one is for the gold. Okay, and this uh, red one is that is booked by the customer. Okay, and I'm not able to see, I mean click on this seat. Okay, and this is the selected one. Okay, so let's suppose I want to select for this O1 and O2. So I selected this, and as soon as I selected, I will be able to see like the price also. Okay, so this is the premium seat. Okay, for the premium the price is 300 per seat. Okay, as we can see here, sorry, gold one. Okay, gold seat price is 300. So for 2 seat it is 600, and if I want to book again, then there will be, it will be 1200 rupees. Okay, based on 300 per seat. Okay, but since I have not logged in as a customer, I should be able to see some alert. Since I am not logged in as a customer, so it will not allow me to book the seat. Okay, so after the customer login we will try for booking the show. Okay, but as of now let's see the other details. So movie information also we can see here. This is the movie name, Race. Okay, the complete description, director, producer, cast detail, the language, duration, complete thing we will be able to see here. Okay, and that for the trailer, I have linked the YouTube uh, link here, so I'll be able, it will redirect to the YouTube's trailer video. Okay, and then we have here movie rating option. So one customer has given the rating for this movie. Okay, and then we have theater information. So again we will be able to see the complete detail about the theater, like location and all the things for easily uh, going to the theater. Okay, and since we have integrated the Google map also, so that's why this also we can see view larger image. Again it will help to uh, go to the theater. Okay, and the locations and all the things which I have used for the demonstration, again I'm telling that is just for the demo purpose and those are dummy. Okay, yeah, then yeah, we saw the complete detail about the movie theaters also we saw, and we saw about the movies also. So in this theater there is no upcoming shows. Okay, but in this theater there are multiple shows are there. So since multiple shows are present in this theater, okay, that is PVR Bhandu West, so we will use this only for the complete demonstration. So apart from this we have the two options in the navigation bar. The very first one is the register user. So from here we can register theater and the customer. Okay, and then we have the login option here, and from here admin theater or the customer can log in. Okay, so firstly what I'll do, I'll simply log in as a admin. Okay, to add the location. So here I'm using the dummy email ID for the login and logged in successful. So till now we have not registered any admin into the system. Then also I logged in as an admin. So you might be thinking that, right? So for that I have written the logic here in the main application. Okay, in the main method here, which is annotated with Spring Boot application annotation. So here I have implemented the command line runner and overridden the run method here. Okay, and inside this I have written the logic that if default user is admin is not registered, if default user is not present in the database, then please register one dummy default admin. Okay, so that we can log in as an admin into the system. Okay, and we have kept this email ID and this password. Okay, again which is dummy. Okay, so I have used that credential only for the login. Okay, so as soon as I logged in as a theater admin, I got multiple options in the navigation bar. The very first one is theaters. Okay, so as an admin I can see all the pending theaters in the sense, like if any new theaters comes, okay, and he registered into the system, then that theater detail he will be able to see. And here admin will get the two option to approve or reject the theater. Okay, and the next one is approved theater. So till now admin has approved multiple theaters, which we can see in this section, approved theaters part. Okay, and definitely he can delete the theater from the database also. Okay, so let's delete it. Okay, no issues, let's delete it. Carnival Bhandup, let's delete from the Carnival Bhandup. Theater deleted successful. Okay, and if I go to the theaters, previously there was uh, 8 theaters, right? But now it is 7. And also, like since we have deleted the theater, so all the movies, shows, okay, those also will get cancelled. Okay, because this theater is only got deleted from this application, so all the shows will also get cancelled. And if someone has booked the shows from that theater, those amount will be refunded, okay, back to the customer's wallet, okay, from the theater wallet. I hope you are getting the point. Yeah, now we have users. Okay, so from here admin will be able to see all the users registered into this application. Okay, so till now there is only one user. Okay, so that's why we are able to see this thing here. Okay, and the contact details, again we can see it is dummy, and we have all managers. So since we have total 7 to 8 theaters, right? So we can see all the theaters here. Okay, for the PVR Bhandu West, the manager is Salman Khan. For the Cinepolis Bhandu, it is Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, then we have add location. Okay, so firstly let's see all the locations here. So totally we have 3 locations, right? Sorry, 2 locations. From the Mumbai there is 2 locations, that is Bhandup and the Kurla, which we can see here, right? Bhandup and the Kurla. So that means all the theaters from this location only can register into the system. Right now let's add one more location. So for that, again, we will have to select the exact theater location from the map. Okay, so what I'll do, let me add Navi Mumbai here. Okay, which is a city. Okay, Navi Mumbai, and here I'll write Nerul area. Okay, and I'll add the location. Location added successful, and again I'll go to the all locations, and we can see here admin has added Nerul also. Okay, which is present in the city Navi Mumbai. Yeah, again I'll go to the theaters, and I can see here Navi Mumbai. Okay, Nerul area. So I'll select this and I'll search for the theater. There will be no theaters, right? Because just now I have added this theater. Yeah. If I search for the Bandub again, there is 3. So yeah, I hope you're getting the point. Now we have screens option. So admin can see all the screens which is added by all the theaters. Okay. So if you see, there is screen A and B which is added by the PVR Bhandup West, this theater. Okay. In the similar way, let's suppose multiple theaters has added multiple screens. Okay. So admin will be able to see from here. Okay. In his dashboard, and he can delete also, and he can also see the seating arrangement. Okay, as an admin. So for the screen A, let's see the arrangement as admin. So this is the seating arrangement for the screen A from the PVR Bhandup West. Okay, this is the screen detail for the B. Okay, for the Bhandup West PVR screen B, this is the seating arrangement for the B screen. So I hope you're getting the point. Okay, seating arrangement is completely like, I mean, these things are dynamic. Okay, based on the seats, it will be there. Okay, and the seat details, theater will get the option to add. Okay, the next one is movies. So admin will be able to see all the movies which are added by all the theaters. Okay, so again, if you see, most of the movies are added by the theater PVR Bhandup West only. Okay, but it's not like that only one theater can add. Multiple theaters can add, list the movies which they are I mean, adding in the show. Okay, so yeah, again admin can also delete the movie because he is at the top. Okay, then he can see the movie details. Okay, so he can click on this view button, and again he can see the complete detail about the movie. Okay, so this is from the theater PVR Bhandup again. So if I want to see 3 Idiots, then again I will be able to see the complete detail about the 3 Idiots. Okay, as an admin I can see that. Then next one is shows. Okay, so I want to see all the shows. Okay, movie shows. Yeah, so as an admin again, I can see all the scheduled movie shows by all the theaters. Okay, so show time, we can see this is the movie Ravan, then theater name, which theater is scheduled this movie, then screen also we can see. Okay, then regular price also we can see, and the status we can see. Okay, if someone has cancelled, then he will be able to see that it is, the status is cancelled or completed. Okay, then again we can delete it and cancel the show, or we can view the complete show details. Okay, again he will, as an admin I can see the complete detail about the show. So this is again in the screen A. So I'll be able to see uh, the seating arrangement along with the booking status. Okay, so for Ravan there is no booking till now. Okay, but if I go to for the this one race. Okay, for this one I'll be able to see the booking. Okay, yeah, we can see here some seats are already booked. Okay, so as an admin we can see that. Yeah, so booking all option also we saw. Okay, now we have added the location Navi Mumbai, right? So what I'll do, I'll just log out as a admin, and now I'll register one theater. Okay, so first I'll have to register as a theater owner or manager. Okay, so I'll give the first name. Siddharth at demo.com, because it is just a dummy email ID. Yeah, so I'll just copy this email ID. So he's a theater owner. Okay, I'll just register. User registered successful. Now I'll log in as a theater. Logged in successful, and here, as soon as I logged in as a theater, I got multiple options in the navigation bar. The very first one will be theater. Okay, so here I'm getting the option to add the theater. Okay, So I'll simply click on it, and here we have to add the theater details. Okay, so theater name, let's give PVR Nerul. Okay, theater contact, we can add anything here. Okay, as of now I'm just adding the dummy contact here. Okay, and we can write here about the is. Okay, so we can add anything here, it's upon us. Okay, and here I'll write station road Navi Mumbai. We can write here PVR dot Nerul. I'll select the location Navi Mumbai Kurla. Okay, because here I can register this location theater in Mumbai, Kurla or Nerul. Okay, but definitely this will be verified by the admin. Then theater image we will have to select. Okay, so I'll select the PVR image, and here we will have to give the exact location of the theater. Okay, so as of now, like I'm just selecting any location here. Okay, and I'll add the theater. Okay, but in real, like let's suppose theater is registering, then definitely he will have to select the exact location. Okay, this is, since this is just for the dummy purpose, I'm showing the like complete overview of the project, so it's fine. Okay, but yeah, so now since we have added the theater, we can see the view detail, but here the status is pending. Okay, because the approval is pending from the admin side, but we can see the complete detail about the uh, PVR Nerul also here, right? The latitude, longitude, then location we can see. Okay, definitely those are dummy, but yeah, we can see the complete detail, but it is approval pending. Now we have wallet also, so as I had told, like theater will also have the wallet here. Okay, so that's what we are able to see here, but since no one has like booked the show from this theater, that's why it is 0, right? And for booking, definitely there should be shows, right? And we have not added it. What I'll do, yeah, as a admin, sorry, as a theater, I can see the wallet detail, I can see my detail, right? So since it is showing approval pending, I'll just log out as a theater and I'll log in with the admin. Okay, login, login successful, and here I'll go to the pending option, so we can see PVR Nehru, and admin has got the option to reject or approve. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just approve it. Theater status updated successful, and if I go to the theaters and if I search from the Navi Mumbai Nehru, we'll be able to see PVR Nehru theater. Okay, and the location we can see here, Nehru, right? So as a customer also, like if I click on the view shows from this, right, so definitely it will be empty only. Yeah, now what I'll do, I'll just log out as a admin now. Okay, so now I'll not log in with this theater. Okay, because in that I'll have to add multiple movies and shows, right? So what I'll do, I'll use the this one. Okay, PVR Bhandu West one. Okay, because in this multiple data things are already there, right? But definitely I'll just log in with Nerul one, Nerul one again. Okay, because we want to see status, right, whether it is approved by the admin or not. Yeah, it is approved, and as a theater, okay, we can deactivate the theater and we can definitely activate the theater. Okay, if theater is closed, then we can mark it as like deactivated. Okay, so it is deactivated, and we can see status is deactivated. Now it will be not visible here in the home page. Okay, but the moment I make it activate, then again it will be like we'll be able to see here. Okay, PVR Nehru. What I'll do, I'll just log out here and log in with the PVR Bhandu one. So now I'll log in with the PVR Bhandu one. So for that I'll use the Salman email ID, who is the manager. Logged in successful, and here I can the first option is screen. Okay, so I can see all the screens. So there are two screens added by the this theater. Okay, and which is the theater? PVR Bhandu Fest. Okay, again we can deactivate, activate from here, right? So there are two screens. Okay, for this screen A, this is the seating arrangement, and for B, this is the seating arrangement. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll add one more screen. Okay, and I'll give the screen name as C. Okay, so here regular seat, premium seat rows will be 4 rows. Okay, and the left side I'll make it 2, and right side also I'll make it 2, and middle I'll make 4. Okay, for the middle rows there will be 5 columns for each. Okay, so based on this, like my regular seat will be, the regular seats will be 36, premium seat will be again 36, and the gold seat will also 36, right? If we calculate, so we'll get that, right? And the total seats, how many it will be? So let's calculate. 36 into 3, 108 seats. So we can calculate. So as a theater manager, I have to add the complete detail about the screen. Okay, now I'll add the screen. The theater screen added successful, and I'll go to the view screens, and here I can see screen C also got added, and I can see the seating arrangement. Okay, so in the middle there is only 5 seat row. Okay, but if I open the screen A, so there are 6 seats in the middle, right? But for the C it is 5, because I have added the 5. Okay, so why I have added only 5? To show that the seating arrangement is totally dynamic and completely dependent upon the theater. Okay, for the screen C it is, yeah. Now we have seen the screens options here, and we can definitely delete the screens also. Okay, and now then we have movie option. Okay, so let's add one movie. Okay, so from here we can add all the movie, and below we have view movies. Okay, so all the movies which are added by this theater we will able to see here. Okay, so let's add one movie. Okay, so I have the detail, let me add that. So I'll add the movie name, Michael Jackson's This Is It. Okay, description, let me add director, user detail also we will have to add, cast, language English, documentary, the release date is 28/10/2009, certification UA, format 2D, movie trailer URL we will have to provide here. So I have just copied it, I'll paste it here. Okay, and we'll have to select the poster. Okay, so I'll select the poster, this one, and add the movie. So we will have to enter the complete detail properly. Okay, so after adding, I'll simply click on the button add movie, and the movie added successful. Now I'll go to the view movies, and here we can see Michael Jackson's This Is It. This movie got added here. Okay, in the theater Previous Pandu West. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to theaters again. As a customer, when I click on the view shows, I should be able to see this is it also. Okay, this is okay. Wait, not able to see here. Why? Okay, because this is upcoming shows. Okay, we have not scheduled the show. Okay, we have just added the movie. Okay, so here we have option shows. Okay, so while scheduling the show, we will have to select the movie. So here we have got the option to select Michael Jackson's This Is It movie. Okay, so if I schedule that, then I'll be able to see inside the shows. Okay, this is just a movie, right, which I have added. So here we have got three options. Firstly, to delete, then update, and the view. So if I view it, I'll be able to see the complete detail about this movie. Okay, and we have watch trailer again. It will open the trailer in the YouTube. Okay, I'll cancel it. Yeah, I'll simply close it. Then we have the option to edit the details. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to delete some uh, update something. Okay, I can simply like use a certification you, then let's make it cast as Michael Jackson only. Okay, let's make just Michael Jackson. Okay, here if I want to update something, then what we can do, let's make it to 55. Okay, it is, let's keep it is English only, the language. Yeah, now let's update the detail. Movie updated successful, and here we should be able to see the cast as only Michael Jackson. Okay, and duration also got updated here, right? And the certification also got updated, right? Now let's update the poster also. Okay, so update movie poster. These options we have option we have here. So I'll simply like click on the this button, choose file, and I'll simply update it. Okay, so right now it is looking like this. I'll simply update it. Movie poster updated successful. Okay, and here we can see it got updated, this, right? What I'll do, yeah, in the, sorry, I'll simply view this file now, and this is how this poster is looking, and this is actually looking good, right? So we have added the movie, and we can see the complete detail about the movie also, right? The next option we have here is shows. Okay, so we have added the screen and we have added the movies. Now we can schedule the shows. Okay, so firstly let's do one thing. Let's click on the view shows. Okay, to view all the details about the shows. Okay, so let's suppose this one Ravan I want to cancel. Okay, I can simply cancel it. Cancel the show, status updated, and the status got cancelled, right? Yeah, as a theater again I can see the complete detail about the theater. For this race I can see the complete detail. After this, let's suppose some shows got completed. Okay, it got over, the time got over, we can simply click on this uh, show completed button. Okay, so for this Fir Hera Fairy movie, let's make it completed. Okay, so it got completed. Now since it got cancelled and it got completed, so in the theater I'm not able to see all the 8 shows. Okay, because one got cancelled and one got completed. Okay, and these are the upcoming shows. In this section we are showing all the upcoming shows, right? Yeah, so we have view shows here. We saw this, right? Yeah, now let's add the show. So let's add one show in the screen C. Okay, and the movie, let's select Michael Jackson's This Is It, and the regular price let's keep as 200 rupees, 300 rupees, and the gold 500 rupees. Okay, language it is English, show type 2D, the show date we have to select. Okay, so let's add for 11 May, so we can select from here also. Okay, and we have to give the timing here. Okay, so timing, let's give as 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, so in this way we will have to give, okay, in the 24 hours format. Okay, so we have selected the complete detail here, and I'll add the show now. Theater show added successfully, and I'll go to the view shows now, and we can see Michael Jackson. This is it. This show got added here. This is the show time. Okay, it is added in the screen C, and we can see the price also. And again, I can click here, this view show detail. Okay, theater show detail, and about the Michael Jackson, this is it. We can see the complete detail here. Okay, and yeah, we can see the booking details. So no one has booked any seat till now, right? As a theater, I can see this. Now I'll go to the theaters. I'll click on view shows from this theater. I'll open this as a customer. I'll open this again. I can see the booking status, right? What I'll do, I'll simply log out as a theater. Okay, but as a theater, I can see the bookings also. Okay, so if someone has booked, okay, then that booking, show booking details, we can see here. Okay, this is the customer, and he has booked for the seat number D1, D2. The seat number we can see here along with the price. Okay, so yeah, again we will see that after booking, customer booking. Okay, so I'll log out as a theater, and now I'll simply register a new customer. Okay, so for that, register the customer. So let's register new customer here. I'll write here Ani Singh. I'll simply copy this, the email ID. Okay, register, and now I'll log out or log in as a customer. Login. So as soon as we logged in as a customer, we got two options in the navigation bar. The very first one is booking. So in the my bookings, I'll be able to see all the my booked shows. Okay, so since this is just a fresh new registration customer, so that's why I'm not able to see any bookings here, right? So if I make any show bookings, then definitely that will be visible here. Okay, so that will make in few minutes. Okay, so we have my wallets here. So as of now the wallet balance is 0, right? So if I want to make the payment and book the show, definitely sufficient amount should be there in the wallet, right? So for that, let's add 2000 rupees in the wallet. Okay, and since we have integrated the Razorpay here, so that's why it is navigated to this. And here the theme is same, that is movie magic. Okay, we have to pay 2000 to add in the wallet. Okay, so here we can make a payment, and we have got multiple options. Okay, UPI payment, card payment. Okay, so as of now I'll make the UPI payment, and for that I'll simply use the success at the rate Razorpay, this UPI ID for making it successful. Okay, here the important thing is I have integrated the Razorpay, but this is in test mode. Okay, because I have used the test mode credential. Okay, API key and the API secret. Okay, definitely if you want to use it for the production, then we have to add the production API key and the secret key. Okay, and for that definitely we will be requiring the approval from the admin side. So this is the UPI ID which is given by the Razorpay actually. Okay, so if you want to make check it. Okay, so test data for Razorpay payment gateway integration. I'll search this. Okay, make test payments. Okay, so here we will be able to see all the like credential which is to be used, okay, for testing the application. Okay, so here you'll get the multiple options, not this one, I think, test card details. Yeah, this one. Okay, test UPI ID details. So in their documentation they have mentioned, like, if you want to test the payment success flow, then we will have to use this one, this UPI ID. That's why I'm using this, if you see here. Okay, and in the similar way, if you want to test it for the failure, okay, then it will be failed. So let's test it for the failure scenario. Verify and pay, and it will get failed. Okay, payment could not be completed because we have used the failure UPI ID, which is given by the Razorpay. So if I want to test it for the success flow, oh sorry, wait, let me add 2000 here amount, and here I'll test it for the success scenario. Now it will be success. Okay, in the similar way we can use the credit card details also. Okay, so for that also the credentials are given here inside this page. Okay, so firstly let's check, and the payment is successful now. Okay, user wallet updated successful, and the wallet balance we can see 2000 rupees. Right, now we can make the payment, but as of now let me show some more things like test card details. If you want to use debit card, credit card, then those details are also given here. Okay, so you can test it. Okay, Razorpay is integrated in our application. You can test that. Yeah, so as a customer, what I'll do, I'll click on the view shows from the PVR Bhandu Fest. Okay, and I'll search here the upcoming show. This is it, this is it, this is it. Yeah, it will come at top, and I'll click on it, and here I'll be able to see the complete detail about the this show. Okay, the screen see, the show time. Okay, the price detail, the seat details. Okay, the seating arrangement, how it will be. Okay, about this movie trailer you can see from here. Movie ratings, as of now no one has given. Okay, no issues, we will add this from this customer. Okay, book show details. Okay, so as of now the complete seat is empty. Okay, so I want to, here this is the gold seat, right? So what I'll do, I'll just click on this i5. Okay, and we can see the total price is 500 because this is the gold seat, and the gold seat price is 500 rupees. Okay, and I want to make a two premium seat which is of 300 rupees. Okay, so total amount is 1100 rupees. Okay, now as a customer I can click on the book seat, and we can see here the message, and now it should be 900 rupees. Okay, and we have made the booking, right? And if I go to the my bookings, definitely I can see three entries here. Okay, with the same booking ID. If you see the booking ID, this is auto generated, and it is same for all the three seat. Okay, the screen C is there, and we have booked i5, h8 and h9. Okay, the seat type we can see premium, and this is one is gold. Okay, for the gold the price is 500 rupees, and is for premium it is 300. This is the show time. Okay, and yeah, if I go to the theaters now again, and view shows, this is it. And if I go to the book show, so we can see this i5, h8 and h9, these are already booked by the customer. Okay, so if any other customer also come to book the show, definitely it will not allow them to book this show because it is already booked by some other customer. Yeah, now we have seen the my bookings also, and the my wallet also, right? So yeah, here as of now no reviews are added, right? So let's add one review. As a customer, I can add the booking, right? So I'll give the 5 star, and here I'll write awesome movie. Okay, rest in peace, king of pop, MJ. Right, I'll just simply write this, and here I'll add the review. Movie review added successful. And now if I go to the movie again, okay, so now when customer will come to book the show, then from this honey sing, this customer, uh, this review we can see the total rating is 5. Okay, from all the customers. Okay, so average of rating we will be able to see here. Okay, from this customer it is given by 5 out of 5. Okay, and we can see the review also. Now as a customer, sorry, as a theater, I should be able to see the updated wallet also, right? So I'll log in with the Salman, who is the operator of Pando PVR. Logged in successful. Firstly, I'll check the wallet. Okay, and we can see the wallet balance. Okay, and in the bookings, I should be able to see there is 3 seat booking. Okay, from Honey Singh. Okay, these are the seat detail. Okay, along with the price. Okay, and as a theater, I can see the seat bookings here. Okay, with the review. Yeah, and now what I'll do, I'll simply log out as a theater and I'll log in with the admin to check all the details. Okay, because admin is at the top and he will be able to see the complete detail about all the things which is happening in his application. Okay, so I'll, yeah, we have not seen this, right? So in the users we have register admin option also. Okay, so as an admin I can add another admin also to manage the platform. Okay, so this is also there. So view, in the view customer, Honey Singh, this customer got added. In the theaters, PVR Nerul we have added. Okay, we can definitely delete it. As an admin I can delete it. Okay, then we have the locations we have added Nerul. The screens we have added here. Okay, screen C also got added, right? And also we have all shows here. This is a show also we can see here, and the bookings. Okay, now I think I have shown the complete functionalities which is present in this project. Okay, the last one and the very important part is pending. Okay, which is the refund part. Okay, so as an admin I can cancel the show at any time. Okay, so I'll cancel this show. Okay, because of some reason, internal reason or reason or anything. Okay, I'll cancel this show. Okay, so we know Honey Singh, this customer has paid total 1100 rupees, right? So I'll cancel it and see, let's see whether it got like refunded or not. Okay, the status for this Michael Jackson This Is It movie, it is cancelled now. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just log out and I'll simply log out, log in as a customer, log in as a customer, uh, Honey, logged in successful, and the wallet I'll go. So we can see out of 2000 previously 1100 was debited from the customer wallet. Okay, but as soon as the movie show got cancelled because of some reason, the amount got refunded in the wallet balance. In the similar way, the amount should be present, that amount should from the theater manager, it should get debited, right? Because it was credited during the book show time, right? Login, and here I'll go to the cheaters and wallet. Previously it was 2700, but it got debited. Okay, why? Because the show got cancelled. Okay, it got cancelled and it is done by the admin. Okay. So this was a complete overview of the project. I hope you guys liked each and every functionalities which I have added in this project. Students can use this project for the learning purpose. They can refer this project to create their own project, and also they can add this project in their resume because it is really very good project, and I mean good level of project. Okay, so I want to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects, like from the requirement gathering. Okay, considering the real-time scenario, then working on the front end, back end, it really takes lots of time. So hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of projects for you guys. We'll meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.